different. Hey, don't. Excuse me, sir. You can't be right there by it. You have to get away from it,
You're
please.
gonna get electric shock. You're gonna get a lot of shock. Listen, Bobby, if you get too close, it's gonna zap the shit out of you.
Can someone turn the heat on? Can somebody call Louie The Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room. It's cold outside, no need to freeze. Call Louie The Boiler Man. New York Boiler and AC Repair.
So what is this, boys? Is it something I could go get coffee and I can just call it a day and this is all my work for me?
100%. You don't have anything in the way. You can let it print forever.
So tell me a little bit about what you have here. First of all, I'm Louie, by the way. What's your name?
Jason.
Oh, Jason?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Louie
meet
The
you.
Boiler Man. So,
We've been in business for about 15 years.
oh, no problem. Hold your hand too.
And we basically do everything for AEC and public safety. So we sell drones, scanners, printers, total stations.
So this product right here, what exactly is that? The one like kind of like just the layout of the actual the room. I mean, show me how would you use. Explain to me how we use this product.
So this is a mini version of, let's say, a room, right?
Okay.
So basically what it's doing right now is it's printing out a floor plan that was drawn up to go inside a building, right? So we've got a door swing right here, a little wall, some column lines, our logo, some points right here where you may like set up like HVAC hangers, whatever.
Okay.
And then the HVAC hangers, they'll put lasers on them and project it up to the ceiling and then mark out their ceiling.
So basically just like a really fancy laser.
Exactly. But it takes a lot of time away from people being on their hands and knees with chalk lines and
Gotcha.
points and all that kind of stuff. So
Now let me ask you, do they make anything like that actually, like in other words, a robot just like this, but actually spray painting the area the exact way you want? Do they make anything like that?
they do make something like that. We don't have that product yet. I've been trying to push our owner to get into it.
All right.
But I think eventually we'll end up getting into it. But they do have one that has like tracks and it sprays paint, like uses survey paint.
Right, correct. So another question is, if I want to program this to do what I want it to do, do I have to put like some type of blueprint or software into this robot? I don't even know what it is. That looks like to me that shit looks like R2D2. I don't even know what that is.
A lot of people have been calling it Wall-E. But yeah, it's basically you do a CAD drawing or a Revit drawing, and then you run it through their app, which is free when you get the instrument.
We like free.
You run it through their app, right? And then you just upload it to their cloud. Once it's uploaded to the cloud, the robot can see it, and then you select what you want to print.
Pretty cool stuff, man. Listen, you asked me, I don't know when to press the on and off button, but it looks really cool. It looks good for the camera. Jason, it's a pleasure. Pleasure to meet you. I'll go at Louie The Boiler Man. Also, I would close out the show, or close out every single we go booth. We say a word called Hvac, and Latin means awesome. So on count of three, I need you to say Hvac with me, with energy.
All right.
1, 2, 3, Hvac! Now, Hvac! We're gonna do it one more time. We're gonna do a retake. 1, 2, 3, Hvac! 1, 2, 3, Hvac!
All right.
Take care, buddy. Let me give you a card.
Can someone turn the heat on? Can somebody call Louie The Boiler Man?
Forget about those cold days. Just take me to the boiler room. I can bring the warm days. Just take me to the boiler room. It's cold outside, no need to freeze. Call Louie The Boiler Man. New York Boiler and AC Repair.